Piglet Peppa. Once upon a time, on a cozy little farm, there lived a piglet named Peppa. He was small, pink, and loved one thing more than anything else in the world: mud. Every day, Peppa would roll in the mud from morning till night. Splish, splash, squish. It was so fun, and Peppa thought he was the happiest piglet ever. But there was a problem. Peppa didn't like to take showers. He never cleaned himself after playing in the mud. His fur was always sticky, his nose was always dirty, and oh no, his body smelled really, really bad. Peppa wanted to make friends on the farm. He tried to play with the ducklings, but they waddled away with their beaks covered. He tried to chat with the kittens, but they ran and climbed the fence. Even the cows mooed and turned their heads the other way when Peppa came near. Poor Peppa was always alone. One afternoon, his mother saw him sitting sadly by the muddy puddle, all alone as usual. "Peppa, my sweet piglet," she said kindly, "I know you love mud, but if you never shower, you start to smell, and that makes it hard for others to be around you." "But I just like having fun," Peppa said with a sniffle. "Having fun is wonderful," Mama Pig smiled, "but being clean shows you care about yourself and about others too." Peppa thought about it all night. Maybe that's why no one wanted to play with him? The next morning, Peppa made a big decision. He jumped into the shower and scrubbed himself from snout to tail. He cleaned behind his ears, under his legs, and even brushed his little teeth. When he was all done, he looked in the mirror and gasped, "I'm pink again!" He trotted off to the meadow, sparkling clean and smelling like sunshine. This time, when he approached the ducklings, they didn't run. The kittens purred and rubbed against him. The cows even let him sit in the shade with them. Peppa smiled the biggest smile. He had friends now. From that day on, Peppa still played in the mud, but he always showered afterward, because he learned that being clean means being kind too. And so, Peppa the piglet was never lonely again. Good night.